I'm here to present on behalf of Guarantee Impex Global Services Limited. My name is Muhammad Adam Muhammad. Our email guaranteeinvest@gmail.com. Contact phone number +234 8124172958. We process rice paddy into hygienic nutrition and stone-free for boiled rice for local consumption and export purposes. The company produced 30 tons per day with an average of 3,150,000 customers. The company registered as limited liability on the 3rd December 2013. Here is the product after packaging and the product before packaging. Nigeria needs this for 7 million metric tons of rice per annum and only produce 5 million metric tons, leaving a supply of 1.6 metric tons per annum. The ban of rice importation in 2015 is another opportunity for the amount of locally processed rice in the country. We are here to provide hygienic nutrition and stone-free rice for local consumption, which is affordable to all our customers. Well polished rice provide customer satisfaction, free delivery using Kano metropolitan convenience, is store pocket friendly, available in different sizes. Using the best technology in our million to get the best finished product, guarantee rice is carbohydrate which is needed for the brain to function properly and for all kinds of activities. To cover the understaffed market, low material cost, partnership industry peers, pricing model, export to sub-Saharan African countries, increase our market share from 3% to 8.78% by December 2022. Nigeria rice market value at 3.97 billion USD with potential growth rate of 8.76% per annum. Our customers are middle class and service obtainable market is 43.88 million customers, representing 23% of Nigerian population, which an estimated value at 913.1 million USD as 2022. Customers are reached through radio jingles, billboard, social media platform, and selling agent. We have signed MOUs major dealers in Kano to serve as our dealers. Our major competitors are Prusa Rice Mill, Hamsat Rice Mill, Tiano Rice Mill, and Unzara. Our strategic competitive plan to deliver product to customers at reduced transportation fare, competent trainer, and professional cost, excellent customer relation. Our products are made from the finest bacteria-free. Our products are safe for consumption. Strategic and accessible location, introduction of e-store. We have assembled competent team of management to deliver the expectation of the customers as well as other stakeholders, while we engage the service of AS Game and Co to serve as our auditors, financial, and investment advisors. Our 5 years financial history from 2017 to 2021, we made a profit of 6,527 USD, 15,729 USD, 17,457 USD, 21,502 USD, and 22,559 USD in 2021. Our cash flow from 2017 is 94,527 USD, 114,404 USD, 281,938 USD, 186,896 USD, 470,178 USD, and our unit economics from 2017 is 29.96 USD, 49.82 USD, 52.77 USD, 60.52 USD, and 59.52 USD in 2021. Current status: 30-ton production capacity per day, an estimated of 3,150,000 customers as of December 2021. Trusted and used by millions of customers and household, job creation and social impact, serve as catalysts for youth entrepreneurship training. We are determined to be a leader in the food industry in Nigeria. Timeline 2022 to 2027. The fund we are seeking for 500,000 USD, 350,000 USD for purchase of equipment and machineries, 130,000 USD for construction of 2 warehouses, 10,000 USD advertisement and market research, 10,000 USD to spend in staff training and development. Here is the factory of Guarantee Rice in 2021 and the machineries we are looking to acquire when getting the funds. Thank you.